Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to control a duo. I bought this kit off Amazon. So first you go on this, you get a CD, you get the code off there, and then you open it up, but you can't open it from there. Navigate to where you have it in the CD command. I'm going to go to /home. Data This is not where you want to be. You want to be in another specific place. So if you open it up, you go to the and then do this and this comes up, and yeah, this is that for this bit. Then Control X out of it to make it runnable, like as a program. You need to write sudo /p plus do.sh and then run it with sudo.do.sh. So you can see here, nothing's protected, that's good. Nothing's plugged in here. It's just creating random things, just doing one minute. Now it's plugged in, so you can see now the door is open. This is the stuff you get in the kit. This comes like this, so all you have to do is connect this one here, this resistor, to GPIO clock that's 4 down from 3 volt, and then this resistor here to 3 volt, and this one here to ground, and that's about it. So you get these two pieces and do that, and the screen stays closed. So if I show here, so it's door closed, door opened, door closed, door opened. You can mess about with the code and you find out the best fit for you. So you can even make it email. Right now I'm trying to make it email, but it says malformed email address. If any of you know why this is, please email me. So I'll keep a link for this kit down in the description. And remember, subscribe guys. I need subscribers. Check out my Subway Surfers mod. Hello. I think you might want to check it out. And if you want to exit this, Control C, and that's it.